Come test drive the 2022 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.